Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumarak Luna here for another toy unboxing. So meron tayo ngayong item which is from McFarlane Toys Deluxe Theatrical Edition from the Dark Knight Trilogy, which is the Joker. So ayan guys, harap pa lang, panalong panalo na. And pati na rin ang art box sa likod, sulit, panalo, Heath Ledger lang naman guys. Tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda, purple pa. Yan. So, samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go!
It's over, Joker.
Why so serious?
So, ito na siya guys. I-unbox natin. Napakaangas, napakaganda. Let's go! So this is the side, the Dark Knight logo, and at the back, the art box for Heath Ledger, Joker. Ganda. Na, tara. Thank you Sir Marlon of the Geek Portal PH. Sa kanya natin nakuha tong pre-order na to. Smells good. Yeah. So ito siya guys. Action figure. Napakaangas, napaka-solid. And ito nga pala kasama din niya, backdrop, Sintra board poster from the Dark Knight Trilogy, the base, and the Joker card. Kuwang-kuha yan dun sa movie poster itself, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Whoa. Card with the base. Ayan. Then, yung submachine gun, action figure Heath Ledger. Yan. Then, we have yung alternate hand, dalawa sa left hand, and then dalawa din sa my right hand. Then, meron din, ito yung Sintra board with the support na poster. And then, meron tayong rocket launcher. And then, meron tayong knife and the handgun na may extension mags. Yan. So far, solid. So ito guys, yung from the Dark Knight Trilogy movie na poster, ginawa nila ng Sintra board. Ayan. Pakita ko sa why so serious. Ayan, napakaganda guys. So, may kasama ng stand. Di ko na tinanggal sa plastic muna guys. Okay, ayan o. Ayan naman. Yan ang front cover. Back cover yan. Ayan, kita nyo. Sorry. Tapos, meron pa, ito yung sa front cover naman niya. Yung mismo sa poster ng movie itself. Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng gawa guys. Solid. Diyan pa lang yan ha. Panalo na. And then, next tayo naman guys is we have the card. Ayan. Kagaya din siya ng sa poster. Heath Ledger, the Joker, with an awesome Dark Knight Trilogy base, and sa likod makikita nyo yung data file, the usual McFarlane card na kasama sa action figure. Yan. Big shoutout to McFarlane Toys sa napaka-solid na gawa dito guys. So guys, yung first version nito is the Dark Knight na Bane Buff Wave o Build-A-Figure Wave. Doon ang first version na Heath Ledger, the Joker, and it was released year 2023. So, ito guys, the theatrical version, ang kinaganda niya is yung mga accessories, yung card, yung poster na Sintra board, yun yung mga additional na kinaganda dito. Dahil dun sa 2023 na release na Heath Ledger, the Joker, is ang kasama lang niya is yung head sculpt ni Bane and yung 6 alternate hands ni Bane. And yung base ni Heath Ledger Joker doon is yung money bank lang with the standard base as well na round base. So for the first accessory, yung submachine gun, ayan, napakasimple lang ang gawa pero maganda. Dito kasama dun sa 2023 release. Now dito sa Hot Toys, yung stock, na foldable stock, is na-fold and bebend. Ito, hindi na bebend siya. Talagang intact siya. Ayan, oh, guys. Yan yung pinagkaiba niya. Pero okay na din siya. Napakaganda. Then, moving on with the knife. Ayan. Kasama din siya. Napakaganda. Very detailed. And then, next is the handgun with the extended magazine. Ayan. Kuwang-kuwa doon sa movie. Ayan. Mataas din ang fire rate nito. Panalo yan. Doon sa movie, ha. The next is the pair of hands sa my right hand. Ayan, may open palm. Makikita nyo, ayan. Then the other one is the gripping hand for the handgun. Then pair of hands for the left hand, which is closed fist. Pero ito yung default hand na nakakabit kay Heath Ledger. Mamaya papakita ko yung alternate hand na isa na nakakabit sa kanya with the card. Then the other one is semi-gripping hand para sa knife. Ayan. Pero bago tayo pumunta, last accessories is the rocket launcher. Ayan. Very detailed, kagaya din sa movie itself. Now, moving with the figure itself. So, kung may makikita na, ito yung sinasabi kong alternate hand with the Joker card. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan. Napakaganda. Napakaangas. Ayan. Medyo makapal nga lang talaga yung card kung makikita nyo. Ayan. At hindi na siya natatanggal. Permanent na siya nakadikit dyan sa hand na yan. Next is the articulation. It has 22 points of articulation. Ball jointed on the shoulders. Double jointed sa elbows. Ayan. And sa knees. Double jointed din as well. Napakaganda. Napakatigas pa, guys. And then sa foot articulation yan, can do left and right, up and down. And sa toes, bendable na rin siya. Napakaganda, guys. Solid. Now sa hands, it can rotate 360 degrees, both left and right. Then ball jointed sa shoulders, yan, pati din sa my legs. And sa back, hindi siya butterfly joint. Ayan. May hindrance ang coat. Ayan. And then moving on tayo doon sa details. So, sa head sculpt, napakaganda. Very detailed. Gayang guys sa movie itself. So, this is a different paint detail versus dun sa 2023 release na The Joker from the Batman Trilogy. Okay? So, dito pa lang sa eyes, makikita nyo yung face paint niya na black. Parang natutunaw siya dahil dun sa movie pinagpapawisan na siya niya nung naglalaban sila ni Batman. Yung lips, it's still the same, all red. And as well doon sa may forehead niya, yung face paint naman niya na white. Yan, makikita ninyo na parang ano na siya, nagme-melt na rin, lighten up, makikita mo na yung skin color. So, yun ang difference nila versus dun sa 2023 na action figure. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung difference. And then dun sa hair, yan, makikita nyo, lumalabas na yung brown color ng hair. Hindi kagaya dun sa first head sculpt nila na pure green. Yung brown medyo mild pa. So, ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo later on. So this is the year 2023 first edition ng Heath Ledger. Kung makikita nyo yung face paint niya, medyo puno pa. Ayan, makikita nyo. And yung hair, makikita nyo, green na green pa. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung pagka-brown niya, mild pa lang. Compared doon sa bago ngayong theatrical version. And kung mapapansin nyo yung vest nila, different din. Lighter color dun sa theatrical version deluxe rather than dun sa first version lang last 2023 medyo darker. Yan yung difference nila. At the same time, yung sa color ng yung sa outer coat naman, kung mapapansin nyo, lighter tong theatrical version. Then doon sa 2023 release, yung coat naman niya is dark purple. Inner coat, sa bago ngayon, orange, and dun sa luma is pure purple lang. So sa body mold, kung tatanungin nyo, parehong-pareho lang. Yung color details lang talaga yung nagbago sa kanila. So hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and toy review of our The Joker The Dark Knight Trilogy, the theatrical deluxe version. So please do like and follow my page on Facebook TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. This is Sumurak Luna. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. See you on the next video. Bye!